Welcome everyone. Today we're taking a look at the eufy Security eufyCam S3 Pro 4 Cam Kit, a powerful outdoor wireless camera system with advanced features designed for modern home security. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get the security camera at the best price. The eufyCam S3 Pro stands out with its 4K max color night vision, delivering images that are incredibly clear and detailed, even in very low light conditions, giving you daylight clarity at night without needing extra lighting. One of the key advantages is its solar-powered system, which allows continuous energy supply and includes the option to expand using an external panel, making it perfect for areas where power access is limited. Security is smart with this kit. It uses radar-powered dual motion detection that only triggers alerts for real human activity, reducing false notifications by 99%, so you won't be disturbed by random movement from pets or shadows. The cameras are also equipped with AI-powered face recognition, adding an intelligent layer to your security setup. Another great feature is local storage. The eufyCam S3 Pro provides 16 GB on-device storage and supports expansion up to 16 TB, which means all your footage stays private with no monthly subscription fees required. This is a huge advantage compared to cloud-based systems where ongoing costs can add up. Installation is straightforward thanks to its wireless design, and the cameras are compatible with HomeKit, Alexa, and other voice assistants, giving you versatile control options. The system is well built for outdoor use, providing both durability and high performance. While the upfront cost might seem high, the quality, reliability, and long-term savings on subscriptions make it a worthwhile investment. If you want a security system that combines advanced technology, solar power, and intelligent alerts, this kit delivers. Check out the link in the description below to grab the eufyCam S3 Pro at the best available price and experience peace of mind with professional-grade home security.